Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing great. Today we have brought something unique. Ever wondered how your PC talks to your microcontroller or how you can communicate with your sensors? It's not something magical. So how do they actually talk to each other? What's the magic behind making your PC, microcontroller and sensor a best friend? The answer to that is programmer. And today we have brought you the SmartElex programmer breakout boards. The SmartElex programmer lineup offers a wide range of communication interface modules designed for seamless connectivity between microcontrollers, sensors, computers, and industrial devices. From USB to GPIO, SPI, I2C adapters to RS485 to RS485 and CAN converters. Simplify debugging, data transfer, and prototyping makes them essential for developers and engineers working on embedded system and industrial automations. Now, let's reveal the product lineup. We have SmartElex USB to RS485 converter, SmartElex Transceiver Breakout MAX3232, SmartElex CAN Controller TJA1050, SmartElex Transceiver Breakout RS485, SmartElex Serial Basic Breakout CH340 and USB, and SmartElex FT232H Breakout. And there are many more. You can check them out on our website. So let's start with this SmartElex USB to RS485. This breakout board has SP3485, RS485 Transceiver and FT232RL USB UART IC, and it gets supply from USB. It has RX, TX and RST LED indicator. For the connectors, it has mini B USB connector. Next, we have SmartElex Transceiver Breakout MAX3232. This is RS232 to TTL converter with broad voltage support. It has built-in 0.1 microfarad charge pump capacitor and it works seamlessly with 3.3 volt and 5 volt projects. Next, we have SmartElex CAN Controller TJA1050 with onboard TJA1050 CAN Controller interface chip. It is fully ISO 11898 compatible, operates at high speed with low electromagnetic emission, supports 3.3 volt and 5 volt devices with thermal protection. Next one is SmartElex Transceiver Breakout RS485. These are mostly used in industrial settings. It has SP3485 transceiver with 3.3 volt operation, supports multiple connection interface and allows up to 32 transceiver on single bus. Next, we have SmartElex Serial Basic Breakout CH340 and USB with CH340 C chip with auto install drivers and supports 5 volt and 3.3 volt systems and has USB-C connectors for reliable power and easy connection. Finally, we have SmartElex FT232H Breakout which has USB to GPIO, SPI, I2C, UART and JTAG support. It also has read and write digital GPIO pins for quick prototyping and plug and play USB solutions for multiple serial protocols. And there are many more programmable breakout boards. Check them out on our website. If you need more information, check out the product page. And hit that like button if you have ever spent an hour debugging a bad connection. And don't forget to subscribe so you will always stay one step ahead in the world of electronics. So that's it about this video. We will see you in another exciting video. Until then, stay tuned.